여보세요? 엄마, 입맛 없을 때 뭐 해 먹으면 좋아? 너무 더워서. 비빔면?
What are we cooking today?
비빔국수.
Oh,
더우니까.
we cleaned our kitchen. Well, I say we. You cleaned the kitchen. I did not. I cleaned the bedroom, but now it looks nice and clean.
영국에선 더우면 뭐 먹어?
Barbecue. Barbecue. We have barbecues outside. Weather's nice, barbecue.
아, 그래?
Yeah.
아, 영국은
Always. The weather forecast says it's going to be nice. Oh, time for the barbecue.
영국은 비가 많이 오니까.
Yeah.
영국엔 콜드푸드 없어?
Salad. Spoon. It's okay.
Yes.
I'm very particular about my spoons. You've noticed that you never use that spoon. Have you noticed that?
어.
It's my special cereal spoon. I don't like eating cereal without that spoon. I want to try 불닭볶음면 again. It's been a
불닭볶음면?
really long time.
핵불닭볶음면 먹을래?
근데 무서워.
불닭볶음면은 쉽게 먹잖아. 사실 저는 매운 걸 다 못 먹고 케이트가 잘 먹어요.
Can you eat 불닭볶음면?
먹을 수 있지. 왜 별로 안 좋아해?
I want to try it again. It's been a really long time since I've eaten it.
그래, 먹어보자.
그래.
먹을래?
Yes, please.
좋아?
Do you usually put bacon in this dish,
아니?
honey?
베이컨이 남아서.
We went to a restaurant yesterday, didn't we, Tagya? Oh my god, it was horrible. It was definitely the worst experience I've had in Korea eating at a restaurant.
맨날
It was unbearably hot. It was horrible. I don't think I've eaten samgyeopsal as quick as I did yesterday.
진짜 맛있었어.
It was really delicious, but it was so hot. I think we should do all the bacon.
뭘? No. 너무 많아. 비빔국.
Oh, that's really cool. The ice in the refrigerator, it tastes like refrigerator.
그럼 하지 마.
Yeah, because when I'm drinking my water,
응.
it tastes like something in here.
그래?
Yeah, and it's not nice, honestly.
그럼 얼음 타올까?
배고파.
그럴까? 먹자.
여름 음식.
알겠습니다.
맛있냐?
맛있어?
근데 자기야, your back is to the camera. 맵다.
와, 맛있네. 딱 간이 맞네. 베이컨은 어때? 베이컨은 근데 it's cold 베이컨인데.
Yeah, but it gives it like a little bit of saltiness.
아, 맞네.
So it's quite nice.
너 더 먹을래?
You eat more.
더 있어.
I know, but I think you want it.
아니, 이따 먹을 수 있어.
Keep the seeds.
오케이.
I want to add more later.
얼음은?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
이건 몇 점이야?
이거 8.
오케이. Not bad.
너는?
8.5.
What would you give the bibimbap? The one that you cooked. What would you give that?
8. 그거 몇 점인데?
그거?
8도입니다. 오, 잘 먹었다. 근데 땀나.
Is that how some people say it?
아니?
땀나. No?
아닌데?
It's all the bacon, right?
베이컨 다 먹었어.
잘 먹었습니다.
잘 먹었습니다.
들어와.
That's it for today. 들어와.
들어와. Yeah, we have leftover bacon that we need to eat, so we're gonna use it as our protein.
아 맞아.
Coming with the protein.
누구였지 이름이?
What's his name?
Ross?
No. Oh, what's his name? What's his name? Oh my god.
Ross.
It's not Ross.